Look at my bed. Messy. Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to another episode of my Lit series, Lit Moments. Really literally means lit, living in the moment. And what I'm talking about to you today is pageants. Let's get it, baby. Letty, I love it. Spank harder. No. Okay, so basically starting off, I should say, disclaimer, I didn't listen to my mother when I started off this video and when I started going out at night on a rainy day while wearing white shoes. Yep. So basically, we're starting off with the pageant I went on last night, and it's for the Binibining, search for the Binibining San Antonio in Makati City. They had it in a perfect setup, in an open area where people would join in. Food trucks were going over and giving out free food. So pageants, really. I've been in one pageant before. Well, actually not one, but a few. And currently I'm holding this title for the local pageant in my university back in my college days for the Mr. and Miss CEU 2017, and currently I am the one. And something amazing with pageants is that it builds your self-confidence, build your character, and it really makes you handle yourself differently than you handle yourself normally. And something good about it is that as time passes by, you make those simple adjustments a normal part of your life, and it really develops the way how you think, how you be, and how you show yourself to other people, and basically personal development. And that's what I got from being part of a pageant. Really, last night was amazing. It was really fun. It was, although the pageant didn't start last night as it was supposed to start by 5 p.m. It started at around 7, and I wasn't really planning to go there, so I really didn't mind having the late start, until I've been asked by my good friend Andrea. It was really amazing because I went there, I had a good time, and yeah. So it started off with having a lot of zones of how you're gonna be judged by a bunch of people. It's like, so the show started off with an opening number, basically walking and dancing, and showing off their swimsuit attires. Awarding for the best talents. And then another is long gown competition, if I'm not mistaken. That's it. It was really amazing because some of the major awards and the minor awards were really worth awarding for. So going back to not planning to go to this local pageant, it wasn't really in my mind until I got there, got really excited. It was a night, so I got there around 7 p.m. and showing off these street lights. A lot of people were shouting over there, a lot of people were cheering. Even the show hasn't started yet. There were a lot of food, a lot of stalls, a lot of people. Really great. So I was part of the crowd, and I was standing just right on a chair. I'm not sure if it was a chair, and I really had a great view of the show until people started crowding in front near the stage, and I didn't see anything. It was really amazing for her because I got the footage of the MC actually announcing her name or announcing her candidate number as one of the best talent. Best in swimsuit. Well, something amazing with the swimsuit though, there were 3 winners out of the 9 candidates. There were 3 winners, and they all had a tie. And another one was the best in long gown. Oh my, they were amazing, really amazing. Although she didn't get some of the minor awards, she got most of the major awards. So the night ended up with me hanging out with my friend Ivan. That's
alright guys, so I am Ivan for snakes, magic and craziness. Like and subscribe on my channel. Alright, subscribe.
Food they were giving out until I found this little beaut. He was so cute. I think he was an Alaskan Malamute. In the middle of the crowd, there was this little furry big dog just hanging there, just chilling. I don't know, it was really one of the highlights of my night. well, not that I set aside the fact that my friend Andrea was joining the pageant. He was the most amazing dog. Well, he was until the owner had to get her away. But really, I got it there. And then so we got a lot of free food. We got hot dogs, got juices, ice cream, chicken. We got everything. All they had to offer. It was all for free. Well, it was a worth it show, and I really think it was amazing. Hey, what's going on YouTube? Thank you for watching one of my videos, and I'll be giving out a link down below. So follow me on Instagram, on Twitter. I'm all over those stuff. All you guys are up to. And please do leave a comment down below. A like wouldn't be hard to give to. And please subscribe. I'll be giving out my weekly videos, video blogs. Stay awesome. Comment down below for what you think. Bye.